you guys. Happy hump day. Yes, happy Wednesday. Today is December 21st, and I am headed to do some last minute Christmas shopping. I just want to bring you all along. It's Thursday, and I went to Orlando yesterday and did some Christmas shopping, picking up some last minute stocking stuffers, and then we drove over to Orlando. We drove over to Tampa, stayed over in Tampa, and now we're at their international mall. So yeah, I'm headed into the mall, try to pick up some last minute stocking stuffers. So I am going to vlog. No, but tell me, well, spray it on here. Let me see what it smells like. Oh, and then they have candles.
Okay. I was just got to look at the camera. That's,
Oh, okay.
I ain't need to startle you. Why you looking at me like, what you want?
What you want?
What you want? Why you looking at me like that? That's what you do to everybody. You looking at me like, what you
I
want?
was looking like, why you looking?
I was looking at you like that because you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
She will help you better, and then if you want, we can move over here.
Y'all, I went by Crumble. They did not have flavors that I wanted to taste today, but I am tasting this birthday cake like sugar cookie. Girl, so good. So good. And it's warm. I love food when it's warm and it's fresh. They done messed around and let me get some boots that go up my legs, baby. Oh no, ma'am. Honey, they done messed around and let me found some boots that go up my thighs, these thick thighs. Baby. All right, Puss in Boots. Yes, yes, yes. Hey you guys, I am trying to make myself get into the Christmas spirit. I don't know what is wrong with me this year. I love celebrating Christmas. It's my favorite time of the year. My light just went out, but I'm not sure why I'm not excited like I normally am this year. it is what it is. I done left the house. I can eat, nothing I can do about it. Okay. All right. So Merry Christmas Eve. Today is December 24th. I am currently headed over to my friend's Michelle's house. She invited me over for dinner, so I am on my way. Currently en route. I did bring a red velvet cake. You did see me making that earlier this morning. I was trying to hurry up and get out. I should have made the cake early, like at 5 o'clock. But honey, I did not want to get up. Honey, just running errands back and forth. Like, my goal is to be proactive. Go ahead and have things done, so when it's time to do something, I don't feel rushed or hurried. So that is a goal for me to, incorporate into my lifestyle. Not be rushed, not be hurried. Just try to be proactive and get things done ahead of time. So, but anyways, let me stop rambling. I will see y'all at Michelle's house, okay?
Who played that man dashing song?
Defense. I won again.
You want to get? You cheating?
No, I'm not. I swear to God, I'm not.
He not. He doing the same thing.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute, it ain't focusing. I like it. You like the color? Say hell to the dog. Wait a minute. Dre say hell to the dog. Okay. Yes. It's the wig for me. It's the wig. This when I contact the seller on WhatsApp, I need to tell her I need this type of hair. What kind it is? What kind?
The one that's for sale.
It ain't for sale.
So if it get cut, you know it's going to garbage.
Oh no, I need that. Ah, he got line. He got the line on. You stay ready. Go ahead.
Yes.
Michelle, you look like you lit. Look how he looking. Oh, you made it. It's my go? Who go? You cheated. In other news, TJ, I like this.
That's nice.
Where you got these from? Y'all, why is it? Why y'all? Why is it 37 degrees?
It's 33 on my phone.
Ooh, child. Ooh, look at my friend. Michelle got her blanket on. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. Hey, you all. And I are on our way home. It is super cold. 37 degrees. Woo. What time is it?
8:09.
8:09. I am about to go home, shower, get in my PJs, and go to bed. I think I'm going to go ahead and end out this vlog here. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. Bye! Happy New